Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So this is the first review coming from the students, those who have appeared for the UGC NET Environmental Science paper for the June 2026 session. Yes, this examination conducted on 30th of June, first shift. Let us know how the paper was for paper 1 and paper 2 from the students review for the first time on the Zaclit channel. So these are the reviews coming from the students. So let us go one by one. So few we have collected from the reviews received from the students, those have appeared. In the left hand side top you can see statements बहुत सारे थे. So there were a lot of statements type questions mostly in the paper 2, and the right hand side you can see questions from NAPCC were asked. Yes, that is one of the frequently asked questions coming from the NAPCC, and we were having a short trick to remember all these things also. So questions, some of the candidates were unable to attempt every question. Yes, time management issue was there, but it is not because of the paper was tough. It was because you were not able to manage your time properly. I repeatedly said you should manage your time, how to give, how much to give to paper 1 and paper 2. So time management issue, unable to attempt every question, this will cost you. So you should be careful every time. Coming to the next review, that is coming from Mr. Green. Paper 2 was above average, so little bit not that easy, and it was lengthy. And paper 1 was of moderate level, so it was also liked by some of our candidates. So one more review coming on the left hand side bottom, you can see paper was time consuming, especially the paper 2. Yes, it was time consuming as per this candidate also. So paper 1 was doable. So finally we are reading a comment which is right hand side bottom. You can see paper 1 was doable and paper 1 was easy as per the subject syllabus. So paper 1 was comparatively easy. It will play a crucial role because if you have done well in the paper 1, definitely it will give an edge even if you have not done much in the paper 2. So these are the mixed reactions coming from the candidates. We will bring a mega review soon. So for that you have to attend our poll which is in our Telegram page, Learn for the Environment. How was the paper? And you should also communicate with us how was the paper as per your review. And after going through that only we can predict what will be the cut-off scenario. So based on this we can say yes, paper 1 was easy and paper 2 was moderate level. If you have done the previous questions, you have managed the timing well, you would have done better. So now your work has been done, no need to worry much. Now you can relax a bit. Whatever happens, it will happen after your response sheet are out. We will predict the cutoff also as I have said. So don't forget to subscribe the channel Zaclit for further updates. So now just be relaxed. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.